Keeping track of student well-being is crucial, but managing data and communication across an entire school can be overwhelming. What if there was a way to streamline it all in one place? Pascal, a school principal at the United Nations International School, faced this exact challenge. He needed a system to track student incidents, provide emotional support, and securely share information with teachers, counselors, and psychologists. With Softr and Airtable, he built a custom student support portal, a user-friendly platform where staff can log in, access relevant student data, and collaborate in real time. The best part: each user gets role-based access, ensuring data privacy while keeping communication seamless. The more I use Softr, the more I realize it's not just a solution, it's an enhancement of what we originally imagined. Now, his team saves time, improves student support, and is even considering expanding the platform school-wide. Want to build a custom solution for your school or organization? Try Softr today. Link in the description.